What's up, guys? Welcome back or welcome to the channel. If you're new, it's Sahara. I forgot to do a regular intro because this is not my regular type of video, so I just have to insert it this way. But today I'm going to be taking you through my Grinch decor, putting it up here and there. So I hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. So over here, let me turn the light on. I just added the flash, but this is from Hobby Lobby. This wall decor. Of course, you can see what it said. I was about to say what it says. It's like, you can read that. This was $36 and 50% off bumped it down to $18. So if you can still find this, definitely grab it. I also have my hanging thing right here that I'm gonna add to here, but I just put this hook right here. I'm like literally trying to put everything on one wall. And then I even have the Grinch thing right here. Fix this right here. I have my Grinch tree that I put together. I even flip this over right here. I went ahead and just figured out the tree off camera because I was like, if I tried to do this on camera, I'm gonna be here forever trying to figure out which balls I want to go where. And I even put some like picks in here, and then of course the ornaments that I did for the Grinch, I put them in here as well. So I really like how it looks. I needed more picks, but unfortunately Hobby Lobby is taking their Christmas decor away. Right now it's December 9th. And it's like they took it away the other day. So I don't know, like they had like 2 picks left. This goes all the way up. So I pulled some pieces from the sides up and then I bended it over just so it can look more like that Grinch aesthetic where, you know, it's kind of bent over, but it can't go all the way over because it's not that type of party here. And then I also put that big ornament that I DIY'd. I put it on here because I thought since it was the biggest ornament, it would look best right here. I put this stick that I DIY'd front and back in the middle. Also the pick swirled right there. I put this pick that I got from Hobby Lobby in here. I used that pick and then I used that pick. Let's also take a closer look at these ornaments that I DIY'd and how they look on this tree. So this is this one. And then we have this one. And again, if you see my video, they are all front and back. I wanted to make sure that no matter where you turned it on a tree, like where it landed at on a tree, there would be a front and back to it. This one. And of course, like I said in that video, I did add double bows right here. So the regular ribbon that I tied, and then I put the glitter bow, and then I put a gibbet on this one because it matched the sticker. I just love these, I'm telling you guys. And then this one, this last one. Hold up, that is not the last one. We had a whole nother one that I forgot to mention right here. And that's like, no wonder he's making this face because he knew I was gonna forget about that one. And again, like I said, I did want to paint these glass ornaments red, but this outline on the stickers, can you focus please? Please and thank you. There we go. You can see that that outline is green and it just wouldn't have looked good if it was red. So, you know, it is what it is at the end of the day. These ornaments, there's these little small ones that come in a pack. And then there's these bigger ones. You can see the size difference that also come in a pack. I think I got all of them from the Dollar Tree. So I just packed the rest of them around the tree. Oh, did you guys see that gibbet right there as well? My sign actually fell. And I thought that sign fell and I thought it had me. So, all right, I need to figure out something else with that. And I don't want to put another one of those hooks up on the wall because when you remove them, of course, the paint's coming with it. I need to figure out some other tape. But I have everything else set up right here so I can move it over here. And then I have my DVDs over there. So I got to get the Grinch ones and put them back where they were last year. All right, let me just go ahead and put the mug up. I had to turn the light on because I'm using the iPhone 14 Pro camera. I don't feel like busting out my, my other camera because I feel like this one, the phone cameras, they do a good enough job where you don't have to use your regular cameras because the regular cameras, they take too long to adjust. So pardon me for this quality if it's not top notch. I don't know what it looks like yet. I'm just gonna put, oops. Staying up. I did not buy anything to go in these like I did last year, candy and marshmallows and all of that stuff. So I will put it in probably in a short. I may do another video like if I update like how all of this looks, but for now I'm just going to do this as, oh shit. Does that go right there? No, that did not go right there. This on the top. I know that that goes back like that. I had to glue like some of these pieces back together this year because they like kind of busted. I do have these straws. Let's see. These are the straws that I got from Hobby Lobby last year. So I'm just gonna put them on each side. And then I have these ones that I got this year from Hobby Lobby. They do only cost 99 cents, 25 in here. And I used some of them for my Grinch cup right here when I did the DIY, and I put the gibbets. Oh shit. I put the Grinch gibbets on here just to give you an idea of how you can decorate your Grinch decor for Christmas an easy way with the straws. So I'm just gonna put these in here, but I think I'm gonna open these and put them in there. I'm not using these straws personally. I don't use straws because over time let me put this together. Like I was saying, over time when you use straws, those lines will start forming above your lips. So I'm not interested in having that. So I don't personally use straws. You know, it's just for decor. And because I have the red, white, and the green and white, it's perfect. I'm just going to place these trees right here. I did have the pieces that go in the tree, but I don't even know where they at. And then I do have my Max napkins that I decorated, that Max crossbody bag. So 50 come in here for $5.99, and Hobby Lobby's still having 50% off. But again, they almost took everything away. So if they still have it, I hope that you will be able to get it. All right, let me come over here and get these DVDs. I actually have the wrapping paper that I use this year right here. I will do a separate video on the other part of my Christmas decor. This one is just for the Grinch. I mean, you guys can handle me doing multiple videos on Christmas decor. It does not matter. All right, these are more Christmas movies except Coraline. I put Coraline in here just because, but I put all of my Christmas movies out. Rise of the Guardian is not Christmas, but it does have all of the holiday characters in there, so I put them out. I'm gonna get the Grinch. Great. Now it's uneven. I just put like the DVDs right next to, hold on. All right, I just put all of them in here because it's easy to grab. I again have that Grinch movie. I have the one with Jim Carrey, and then I have the animated one, that little like 30-minute movie. So where am I gonna put this? All right, I just put the one that has him with the red and white over here since it matches, and then these two over here since that most likely matches. Where am I gonna put these napkins? Should I just put them right here? Good enough for me. Now I need to figure out that. Just have it like this. It's not stuck up right, but I'm just doing it for the video right now just because. This is the Grinch light that I got last year. I told you guys about $26, but how much was Walmart having off last year? I think it was like the end of Christmas sale and everything was like up to 70-something% off, and I ended up paying like $6 for this light. And like I said before, I'm not putting it outside. I'm just gonna put it inside and probably like up here, like right in this middle, because I have the Grinch bar right here, the presents and the train down here. Oh, I have the picture frame over there. Should I put the picture frame over here? No, I do not like how that picture frame looks. Let me stop. I don't know about you guys, but I kind of just always like having everything right next to each other, like especially something that I've created. So I need to fix this down here. I actually have it right here. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna have to put it in here so that it goes up on the wall like this. I'm just like down here trying to adjust it, because the closer you bring it, the smaller it is, but the further back, the bigger it is. So I want to put it as close as possible. I don't know how though. And of course, I can't stake it in my carpet. So, this ain't gonna work. I think that where I place this is about as good as it's gonna get. Because when you have it like this, it just means that I'm gonna have to move the picture right there down a little bit, which is fine. So Maybe back just a little too far. All right, I think that's placed fine right there. So I think that this wall is completely finished because I OD'd on it. So let's start on this tree. I've got to come over here and turn this light off. That's just ridiculous having all of this light on. Okay. Let's walk back over. I made, why is it blurry? Hold on, that's better. So I did show you guys that I made this, that's messed up. I also DIY'd a Grinch tree skirt, little mini one from the Dollar Tree. I'll link all of that. Also, I DIY'd some, that's too close. I just turned the light on so you guys can see a little bit better because that was too much. But yeah, this is the tree skirt that I had under this tree last year. But of course, I DIY'd this. And then I do have my little gift bags that I also DIY'd from the Dollar Tree. I have this one that I DIY'd as well. So I'm going to set all of this under the, oh, and then by the way, I also have my Grinch train that I DIY'd last year as well. And then I have my Grinch house that I DIY'd. So I'm going to fit all of this under here. And then I also, what's going under the tree, I have this gnome that I got from Temu. And it, of course, has, you know, like the Grinch decor on here. I'm still upset that they printed this off where Max is cut off. And so is the Grinch. Like, look at how cute. That should be showing. And then it does say Merry Grinchmas. So I'm going to put this under the tree as well. Look how pretty this is. And by the way, when I did DIY this, I put so much Mod Podge. It literally took a whole week for these wall decals, I've never figured out what it was called, decor, for them to dry underneath. There was like a glob of Mod Podge under these. So of course they're not going anywhere at this point. But yeah, I had to make sure. I thought that was Mod Podge down here, but no, that's just the way it's printed off. So yeah, I did all of these. And of course, again, this gift box came from the Dollar Tree. And these gift bags also came from the Dollar Tree. I can't even believe that these Amazon batteries last this whole year. Because I forgot to take them out. I don't like keeping like the batteries inside things because of course it's gonna explode up in there. But you know, here's the Grinch's little layer I did last year with the Who people down there. So this year, instead of putting it on the table near the cocoa, I'm going to put this up here by itself. I'm going to put his layer under the tree along with the train in front of the tree. I think, oh, and by the way, this is how I kind of just set it up. I don't have enough room. It's kind of like, everything is like, you know, just kind of side to side. So this is just how it's going to look. And then I put the little nutcrackers because they match. They're red, green, and gold. I put them in the front, but I think I'm going to put his layer right here. I was going to put it in the back, but I still want you to be able to see it. So that's how I put it. And I actually took the Who picture frame and just set it back there just so it's something back there. I also put the bag that has him back here because I don't really care for how he looks on there, so I don't care if it's not shown. But I do love this bag right here, so of course, you know, I'm gonna keep that out in the open. And then I have the box right here, and then I have the two nutcrackers right here, and I also have his layer right here and then the train right here. So I really love how that looks. Let me turn the light on right quick so you guys can see how these nutcrackers match. And this is how they're coming, you know. they match to the T, actually. Dang, I didn't realize how much they match this train, though. They could be standing right in front of this train, but no, I'm gonna put them right here. Yeah, so. Oh, I really like that. And we have this over here. I need to tape that back because it just tried to jack up my shit right here. Can't be having that. And then this up here, and then the, you know, that over there, and then I hate that the hanging decor piece is over here to the side. I might need to bring it down or something. Decided to move this clamp right here down over here so that this hanging piece can hang next to it, and that looks, you know, a lot better. because I have so much going on over here. Which, by the way, when you guys ask me, do I keep my doll houses or where do I keep them or stuff? Child, they are everywhere, okay? Like, there's no one spot for my doll houses. Like, I've done so many of them. I'm running out of room, so they're literally everywhere. So I did what I said I wasn't going to do, and I went ahead and put the last self-adhesive on here. So, you know, it's just going to have to do because it's going to keep falling. So it's just one of these. I really like these because they're easy. They just stay up, but they're going to tear your paint up. Don't worry about it. It's going to happen. So let me just show you guys the opposite side. Of course, like I said, most of these decor pieces are front and back. So however your decor is looking, that's just going to, you know, whichever side you're flipping it to, that's just what you're going to flip it to. But, you know, here it is. Okay, so you guys see how like I have it down here and how it like looks like it's like distorted. Oh, looks like it's like distorted a little bit. Look how it looks like when you pick it up. See, like that's good right there. But who's gonna be holding this right here like this? It's like well, I hope you guys enjoyed. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Check out my other Grinchy and DIY videos. And I will see you guys in my next Christmas decor video.